to the Canton Fair. This is a live streaming venue for washing machines. Are you ready? Let's go! So what do we have here? Smart hallway, smart balcony, smart closet. We used to be able to see smart homes only in sci-fi movies. Now, Haeir washing machines turn that dream into reality. This is exciting. Let's have a try. Let me ask you a question. Do you know the name of this cool washing machine? Have no idea? Go to 127's Canton Fair Haeir washing machine live stream to find out the answer.